Time to check the mana. Bit of morning coffee with a bit of morning mana. Oh, ko roa paihu te maunga, ko Wanganui te awa, ko I just woke up trying to get some mana and some coffee and get inside. No mana. Wanganui, that's my river, I own it. Pepeha! Ko roa paihu, te maunga, ko... Oh, I'm trying to get W's, man! Oh, there's two of them. Aotea is my canoe. My nana made it out of leaves and stuff. Sold it as. So that was good. Fuck, ko roa paihu te maunga. Bro, no, I'm getting soaked, man. Leave me alone. Ranana is my marae up the river in Wanganui. It's raining! It's raining! Ko roa paihu te maunga, ko Wanganui te awa, ko Aotea te waka, ko te Ati Haunui a Paparangi te iwi, ko Ranana te marae, ko Jimi PEPEHA.